Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use Game Turbo for best performance on your POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up the Game Turbo app. We're gonna go over right here, and as you guys can see, it is opening. So now we're gonna wait for it to load, and as you guys can see here, we got everything. So here we got our games that we have added or that have been added manually. Now we got this, as you guys can see, we can go over, we can change the settings from default to save power. Let's click don't ask again and click got it. As you guys can see, now it's mostly for the performance. We can go over for high quality, and now it's for the highest frame rate and the picture quality, not for the performance. And here we can also customize it. So we want our frame rate to be 120. We want to make sure that our resolution is high. We can also change the anisotropic filtering. I always play on 4x. And texture filtering quality, I would recommend using either balanced or high quality. Now, I've never used the map LOD bias, so I always set this either at -2 or 0. And of course, you want to enable the multi-threaded rendering. And now these are our custom settings. And what are we going to do next is we're going to leave. We can just click start playing. Of course, we got the settings for our Game Turbo. Make sure that you enable the Game Turbo right here. We can also add games. So as you guys can see, we got the games right here, but if there's no game added, then we can add it from here. So as you guys can see, those are the apps that are not games, but we can still add them, like Google News for an example, and now it counts as a game. So we can easily go over here, we can go to PUBG Mobile, and we got our custom settings. As you guys can see, you need to balance it for every single game. And after you do that, you simply leave. You got the custom settings. You can click start playing, and as you guys can see, the game is simply loading. So soon we should see the Game Turbo popping up. If not, then we can just go over here and turn it on. Now we got our FPS right here. We got our CPU, how much percent we're using, and of course we can enable balanced or wild boost. And even though it is limited to 30 frames per second, we can go over here to the settings. So this is a clear example of the game. As you guys can see, it's not loading right now, so we might not get to those settings, but still, whenever we try and enable it, then if we go over and play a game, it should definitely work better. So here we got our CPU monitoring, how much CPU we use at the moment. We got our frames per second. And of course, we can go over for the performance settings. We can enhance our visuals. We can go for game HDR, saturated, bright and saturated. We got a lot of options here. We can clear the memory. And now we even got the voice changer, timer, do not disturb, or screenshot. We can also record, and if we click more, we got settings, cast, if we want to stream to our friend or just play the game on the TV. We got the Wi-Fi, which is pretty much unnecessary here because we all know that we require Wi-Fi to play the games. We can change the brightness, and of course we got the on-screen comments. So that's how it basically works. We can easily use this for the best performance or best quality, totally up to us. I hope that this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.